Okay.
You know what? I don't know my own country. It's not cool.
So, what is the last stage of USA?
Why are you wearing a filter? No! No!
Thank you so much.
Mimi. Mimi.
Where are you from?
Mimi. Where are you from? Oh, America. America. Fuck yeah.
Are you from USA?
America.
Are you from USA? USA?
Yes.
Oh. Just I am from Bangladesh.
Shoot on the button.
I am from Bangladesh. Bangladesh.
Bangladesh. I'm a new friend. Hey, Pookie.
USA. USA. Already I have followed you.
Yes. Right.
Are you from Newark, California? Newark, California. Which state do you live in at present?
Texas.
Texas.
Never,
Texas.
ever. Texas is my state.
Okay,
Where
okay.
I'm, yeah.
Okay.
Girl shit.
Just I am very interested about USA in detail. I am asking little bit questions. You will answer me. Okay? Are you ready? Are you ready to give me answer? Okay. How many total
All right,
states?
Jeopardy.
Okay, please listen to me. How many total states in USA? In total states. And last state. What is the name of last states in USA? Tell me.
No.
Tell me quickly. Tell me quickly or fast.
50?
50. And what is the
53?
what? Okay. Answer correct. Correct answer. What is the last states of USA? Last states of USA. Last.
Was
Please try to
what?
speak. Try to
Last
speak.
what?
No. Hawaii Islands. Hawaii.
Hawaii.
Capital city Honolulu. Capital city Honolulu. Yeah.
I don't know my own country. It's not cool.
Okay.
You know more about my country than you.
Okay, there is no problem. It is simple matter. No, there is no problem.
It is a problem.
No,
you
no,
got
no,
more knowledge than I do about my own country.
No. It is simple matter. Actually,
Yep.
what is your profession? What is your profession?
I clean tables.
What?
I clean.
Oh. Okay. Basically, I am a private teacher. English teacher.
No.
How old are you?
I'm this big head girl.
How old are you?
25.
I am 30. I am senior.
Why are you wearing a filter?
I am senior to you, 5 years.
Take that filter off.
Yeah. Actually, your speaking style is very fine. Excellent. Your speaking style is very fine. Excellent. Nice. Awesome. Really. Actually, we follow American English in our country, Bangladesh. We practice more and more American English. But I'm very interested from you to learn American accent. Will you teach me? Will you teach me American accent? Will you teach me?
What? No.
No. I'm very interested to learn A to Z alphabet. A to Z alphabet. Will you teach me? Alphabet. A, B, C,
Yes.
D. Please try to speak. Try to speak to teach me.
A, B. Yes.
Slowly, slowly.
4, 3,